Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla's rearview mirror. First, let's gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a few screwdrivers, possibly a Torx 20-bit, a scraper, and a heat gun. Also, have rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth ready for cleaning. Most importantly, acquire a new mirror and a dedicated rearview mirror adhesive kit for a secure installation. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the plastic cover at the mirror's base, being careful not to damage the windshield. Next, use the appropriate screwdriver, which might be a Phillips or a Torx 20, to remove any securing screws. If your mirror is glued, apply gentle heat with a heat gun for about 30 seconds, then carefully scrape the mount from the glass. With the old mirror removed, proper windshield preparation is crucial for a strong bond. First, thoroughly clean the entire mounting area on the windshield using rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth. Ensure all old adhesive residue is completely scraped off with a razor blade or scraper. Finally, use a washable marker on the outside of the windshield to accurately mark the exact spot for your new mirror mount. For the final step, let's install your new mirror. Apply a small, even drop of specialized rearview mirror adhesive to the new metal mount. Carefully align the mount with your marked spot on the windshield and press it firmly for at least 60 seconds. It's vital to allow the adhesive to cure for a minimum of 15 minutes before you attach the mirror itself to the newly installed mount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.